By organizing our given information. The truck starts from rest. So rest means his initial velocity is 0. And he accelerates, so his velocity is changing, to a final velocity of 18 meters per second in the westerly direction. So V final is 18 meters per second. Now at this point, it's a good idea to keep track of some directions using some sign notation. So why don't we just use the convention that anything to the right, which is to the east, is going to be positive, and anything to the left is going to be negative. Now if this question was moving north-south, I might say that north is positive and south is negative. Even if you were to reverse all those choices, as long as you're consistent, you'll be able to interpret your answer. So because my final velocity is to the west, I'm going to say it's negative. And this takes a time of 4.5 seconds, and we're trying to find the truck's acceleration. So that's what we're looking for. Now acceleration is defined as the rate of change of velocity. So it's change in v over time. Now change in anything in physics is simply v final minus v initial. It's always final minus initial when you're using change in signs in physics. All of that would be divided by t. So now let's put in our numbers. Negative 18 minus v initial all over 4.5. And when I work that out, I end up getting 4.0 meters per second squared. And I'm going to get a negative answer. Now this is why we chose to say west was negative and right was positive and east was positive. When I get a negative answer, according to my sign convention, that means my acceleration will be towards the west. So it just helps me interpret my answer.